Help each other is great. Casey felt it was a very difficult day. She had little money for food. Casey does have a home but doesn't have a job. That's why Casey struggles just to buy food. On her way to find work, Casey finds a small child holding his stomach. Casey was sure the child must be starving. The child also sat on the side of the road, without his parents, and his clothes were torn. Casey feels sorry and lucky to have a place. Finally, he gave the rest of the money to the boy, then continued looking for work. Unexpectedly, it was easy to get a job after helping the child.